Dear children, today we are going to learn about principles and functions of management. Before moving on to the topic, I'll introduce myself. I'm Alagananga Judy, postgraduate in management, and also I've worked as an assistant professor and also cleared UGC NET in the year 2021. So here I'm going to start with the topic principles and functions of management. So first of all, we will learn what is the definition of management. Management is an art of getting things done through others and with formally organized group. This is the most simplest example. That means management is an art of getting people together to accomplish the objective of an organization. And next we will learn what are the concepts of management. So we will discuss as management as a discipline. What is meant by discipline? Discipline refers to a field of study having well-defined concepts and principles. Management prescribes various principles and how these principles can be applied in managing an organization. It has the orientation of both science and art. So in a simplest way, what we can explain is management is just like medicine, history, geography, science like biology, physics, chemistry. All these, in a brief way I'll explain. Physics or the science, whatever the fields in science, they'll be having their own set of principles, rules, right? So even as in the case of geography also have some principles. So just like that, even management, when we consider management is also having some principles. So we can consider management as a discipline. That's why we are learning management in the schools and colleges and other universities. And even one more point is management is also considered as art and as well as science. The next concept is management as a process. So another approach of defining management is to take it as a process. Process is a systematic method of handling activities. You all know very well when we take a consideration of communication. What is meant by communication? It is a exchange of ideas, facts, figures or any kind of information from one person to another. So usually communication also involves certain process, right? From the sender there will be a encoding, then channel, then decoding, receiver, etc. So communication always go through a proper process or channel, right? So likewise, even management is also having certain process. Like for example, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So management, we can call it as a process. Next we are going to learn the importance of management. So the first importance of management is achieving organizational goals. Management is relevant in the context of organizations, and all organizations are purposive creations and strive for achieving certain goals. Management helps in achieving these goals by developing and effectively utilizing organizational resources, both human and non-human. So the primary objective of management is the optimum utilization of available resources, whether it is manpower or the goods and services which is available. The management or the managers should use that resources maximum level. So that is the first importance to achieve the organizational goals. The next importance is increasing efficiency. Management attempts at increasing efficiency in an organization through reducing costs and increasing productivity by using suitable management process involving planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, and achieving coordination among these functions. So the primary function or the major importance of the management is to increase the efficiency of the organization through proper planning, through proper organizing, then staffing, employing adequate manpower to the organization, then what else? Directing and controlling. We need to control all the organizational activities. So then only the efficiency of the organization will increase. Then next point is inculcating creativity. Management includes creativity in organizations' people. Creativity involves generating a unique combination or unusual association of ideas. So creativity is one of the most important part in an organization. Why? Because each and every people who are employed in that organization will be having their own set of ideas. So inculcating it into the organization, the best ideas into the organization, it will also help to improve the efficiency of the organization. So the next, building dynamic organization. What does mean by dynamic? It's like change, right? So management builds dynamic organization by bringing changes on continuous basis. Why? Because in our business organization or a business enterprise that works in an environment in the sense different kinds of environment we will learn in the next sections anyhow. So in a very brief way, I'll explain what is that environment. The business will deal with certain environment, which is sometimes it will be external environment, sometimes it will be internal environment. The external environment will be of social environment or social cultural, economical, like the government's economic policy or the economic condition of the nation or the worldwide. Okay, then legal environment or any what else, technological environment. All these are the external environment, or we can, in other way we can define it as macro environment. Okay, so to deal with such dynamic environment, because the situation will ever changes, so to deal with such situations, the business organization should be always dynamic to act according to the changes. So building dynamic organization, here a dynamic organization is one which continuously interacts with the environment and brings necessary changes in it to meet the environmental needs. So here in the next section, we will continue with the scope of management, management versus administration, and the nature of management. So I hope you understood the topic. If you have any queries, please post in the comment section, and hope you liked the video. So thank you so much.